Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Side dishes complete a meal. They can be anything from vegetables, rice, pasta, bread, and so on. There's a starchy vegetable that everyone likes, and it's potatoes. I've already shared many recipes with you, like my Tex-Mex potatoes, dark fat roasted potatoes, mixed mashed potatoes, and many more. Now, here's another one to add to the list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Greek Lemon Rosemary Potatoes. What a flavorful dish. It's so tasty, easy to make, and pairs so well with many proteins. I guarantee you'll love it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
These are our potatoes that we've peeled, and now we'll make wedges with them. So we'll cut them in half, and then each half cut in half again. Then we'll cut each piece in thirds at an angle of 45 degrees. See, just like that. Very simple. Next, we'll add the wedges to a large bowl filled with very cold water and let them soak for 1 hour. This will make them crispier. While they're soaking, we'll make a seasoned dressing. In a small bowl, we'll add chicken broth, some olive oil, then freshly squeezed lemon juice and garlic powder. We'll whisk the ingredients until very well blended and set aside for now. Back to the potatoes. An hour later, we'll drain and place them in a single layer on a cutting board lined with a clean dish towel. We'll then put another clean dish towel on top and dry them as much as we can. Next step, we'll transfer the potato wedges to a large bowl and pour our seasoned dressing on top. We'll toss them very well to coat and transfer the wedges to a greased baking dish. We'll arrange them in a single layer before seasoning generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll go ahead and transfer the dish to a 375-degree preheated oven. We'll cook for 1 hour. About 40 minutes later, we'll remove from the heat and flip the wedges. Matter of fact, we'll have to do this a few times. So when this is done, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped rosemary, add a little bit more ground sea salt, as well as freshly ground black pepper. We'll return the dish back to the oven for the remaining 20 minutes. Like earlier, we'll remove from the heat and flip them again. As you can see, they just start browning. And here it goes, back to the oven. This time, we'll turn the temperature to broil and set the timer for 10 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove the potatoes from the heat and yes, that's right, we'll flip them once again. I know it's tedious to take them out, flip them, then back to the oven and repeat all over again. But this is how we'll get a nice crispy texture on the outside. We'll put them back under the broiler for another 5 minutes before taking the potato wedges out from the heat. Flip them for the last time and return them back under the broiler for the final 5 minutes. If you want, you can leave them an extra minute or two, but keep an eye on them as you don't want them to burn. We'll transfer them to a serving dish, sprinkle on some chopped parsley, and garnish with lemon wedges. And my friends, these are our Greek Lemon Rosemary Potatoes. Crispy and flavorful on the outside and moist and tender on the inside, these potatoes are just fabulous. This is a great side to serve with many proteins. This is a recipe that you and your guests will love. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit lovefoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!